I just found out like earlier this week it was sand, and I was real happy about that. I'm excited to do some sand riding again.
You walked any of it yet?
Yeah, I walked some this morning, and it looks good. It's rooty, so I'm excited for that.
Looks good. I think the rain's gonna help keep the dust down a bit. It's the sand, so it'll soak it up. It'll be good.
Dude, so close. That literally, that close. How was it, dude?
It was gnarly. It was a lot of fun. I love just the sloppy fields where you can just pin it and you're sideways the whole way. So fun. Just pretty much rode my own race. Just tried not to get stuck, and luckily I did that and just kept moving all day and finished good. Had a lot of fun.
The track was nasty. It had its real brutal parts, and it was definitely a survival race. It was cut short, which wasn't too bad, but most of the track was good. Had a good race going, but the bike was running hot, and it was just struggle to stay out of the mud holes and keep it moving.